I wanted to ask you a little bit about NMDC.
Yeah.
They've undertaken a price hike. So what is the impact of that, and any steelmakers who will be impacted?
Whoever's buying from them, they'll get impacted. But also international prices, Sumera, they have really rocketed up. So there was a clear case that NMDC could go ahead and hike prices. Now we're learning from sources here at CNBC TV 18 that in fact NMDC, yes, they've undertaken a price hike of around 100 rupees roughly. That's for the month of December. In the last month, there was a bit of a disappointment that came because they didn't hike prices both on lumps as well as on fines. So with this price hike, in fact, now the fines price goes to around 1,860. They're not hiked prices in the month of November. Remember, in terms of their mix, majority of their sales are via fines. So fines contribute roughly around 65 to around 70% of their total sales basket, while only 30% comes in for lumps. And prices for lumps really have been unchanged. In terms of who buys for them, JSW Steel, they are one of the buyers. But interesting to see the kind of mix that they're undergoing, because they've been looking at the broader markets. They've been even looking at private miners like Odisha. And the big problem is that in Odisha, many of these miners, they're not increasing prices by that much. But good to see, finally, they're not going for volumes maybe. They're going for a bit of a price hike. Volumes, that's going to be very, very key.